Black streaks caused by roof runoff and oxidation can ruin your RV's look, and they're tough to remove without the right cleaner. Walex's PhD scientists, RVers themselves, wanted a black streak remover that would instantly break down the toughest streaks, grime, and bug residue. No heavy scrubbing required, so they developed one, and they're excited for you to try it. Like every product that comes out of the Walex Innovation Lab, Black Streak Remover is an advanced formula designed to work faster and more effectively, giving you more time to enjoy your RV. Just spray, wipe, and rinse. It's safe for aluminum, fiberglass, and gel coat. Just avoid chalky or oxidized paint. With Walex's Black Streak Remover, you can refresh your RV's appearance in minutes and get back on the road. Walex is a family-owned business that makes products here in America using 100% solar-powered manufacturing. We're the trusted global leaders in waste treatment. Walex science is everywhere you go.